Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Dartington Premium Solar Stake Light. Let's get going. In the box you'll find the instructions and you'll find the light with the stake hidden inside the pole. Very simply pop the stake out by just twisting the end and pulling it out, and then popping it back on the other way around. Then to assemble the rest of the light, you do the same with the top. You just pop it into the stake. Now switching it on is pretty straightforward. You have to unscrew the top and switch the on button on. From there, the light has an automatic on-off mode. So as soon as it gets dark in the evenings, the light switches itself on, and then as soon as it detects brightness, it's going to turn back off and charge the solar panel. So you just unscrew the head like this, and then the on switch is just inside the unit. So there's two modes on this light. The mode with the two stripes will be your regular mode for everyday use, and your mode with the one light will be your power saving winter mode. From there, just line the light back up and pop it into place like so. So there is 50 lumens of illumination in this light. You get up to 10 hours of usage from a single charge, and there's no cables required. It's got a curved top and a cylindrical fitting. So the light is 54 centimeters tall, including the stake, and 170 millimeters in diameter. The stake makes up for 8 centimeters of the total length, and the weight of it is about 1 kilo. And the metal finish is in our gorgeous anthracite grey. So illuminate any outdoor space with this warm white glow and get yourself one of the Dartington solar garden lights. They're incredibly easy to install. They look elegant and stylish, and they complement any garden space. If you have any questions regarding this product at all, please comment them down below and we will get back to you with the answer. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one.